And welcome everybody to our meteorology segment. I'm your host, Dan, aka Smash-O-Mash, coming at you from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. First thing we're looking at are the jet streams here of the eastern world. Some chaos happening here in between New Zealand and Australia. We've got a powerful low pressure system here rotating clockwise as they do in the southern hemisphere. Jet stream blowing backwards over the West Pacific and central Indian Ocean. See that east to west jet stream flow there. A huge divergence happening here in an S-shaped bend over the North Pacific. An S-shaped bend here west of Australia as well. What about the surface winds, you ask? Well, here you go. A powerful low here to the northwest of Australia as well. Here are the surface winds of the western world. And next we'll show the jet streams. We've got some extreme weather coming to the U.S. We'll get to it. And you can see some really cold air being pushed way down, all the way to Mexico. With that huge bend of the jet stream there over the western U.S. And let's bring up the forecast. So here's the forecast for the south central portion of the U.S., and you can see we're going to set up a series of very strong storms here, starting out in eastern Texas and then sweeping through Arkansas, a large portion of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and most of Tennessee and most of Kentucky. Also some heavy snows there coming on the northern portion of that. It's all caused by massive pressure gradients from cold air pushing in. That's a 72-hour GFS forecast for precipitation and pressure for the south central. We'll show this same forecast zoomed out to the full lower 48 view. Again, that's a GFS 72-hour pressure and precipitation forecast. Streamed live to Twitch. This video was also uploaded to BitChute and to YouTube. If you're viewing in those places, make sure you install the twitch.tv mobile app. Twitch.tv/Smash-O-Mash is the URL, and let's blast through some more meteorological stuff. Here is the satellite imagery from windy.com. Like Twitch, they've got a great mobile app. Great thing about the Twitch mobile app is that it'll actually alert you when we go live. That's the last 2 hours of satellite data. We've got a strong band of lightning here moving across Bermuda. We'll get to that after we look at the weather.gov map. And there is your weather.gov map. If your county is lit, just click your county. Leave us a comment if your county is lit. So some flood issues coming there to Louisiana, Arkansas, and Mississippi. Probably to Alabama also. I'm not sure why those aren't flood warnings there for whatever reason. Again, that's from weather.gov. And here's your lightning mapper. And this band of lightning we covered yesterday now just made it across Bermuda. So some interesting weather striking Bermuda there. Also quite a bit of lightning there around the South Pacific, off the coast of Central America, and so on. Let's look at a real-time lightning map to see if there is any terrestrial lightning in the U.S., and indeed there's not. That's powered by blitzortung.org. That's your real-time lightning map. We do it because we stream the videos live on the regs. So thanks to our BitChute subscribers. Thanks for leaving comments. Let's handle a comment if we've got an actual comment here. It looks like we've got an actual comment. We'll handle it on the live stream. So let's pause that and let's see what the comment is. RWE at 4470 says the earth is flat. .GUI. Okay. Thanks for the comment. What was the name of the user? Thanks for the insightful comment. The earth is flat. .GUI. RWE at 4470. Very enlightening as to your mental state. Next, thanks to our YouTube subscribers. Thanks for putting up with the the pathetic censorship on the platform, the nauseating, putrid, pathetic censorship on the platform of YouTube. Please support the channel by becoming a member of the Smash team. Make sure you follow us on Twitter. If you don't have a Twitter account, create a Twitter account, for goodness sakes. The shares are fantastic. Thanks to our new followers over there. Cheers. We're also on Facebook and all kinds of other social media. Shout out to Smash staff for being our social media manager and our IT department. Smash staff, give her a raise by becoming a member of the Smash team. Again, this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. Hi, twitch.tv/smashamash is the URL. I'll bet you're able to go to the website. And let's get back to meteorology. Here is the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. It's very dry over the southern part. You can see that huge mass of dry air there spanning most of the South Pacific. The Pacific Ocean, Earth's largest surface heat sink and largest body of water. If you don't know the temperature, 3 meters, 30 meters, 300 meters, and 1,000 meters deep in the Pacific Ocean, you don't understand the Earth's climate. It takes thousands of years for oceans to heat up and cool down. Moving on to the U.S. Doppler radar. This is looking at the movement of water droplets vertically in the air column. These are ground-based systems. The previous that we looked at was satellite-based. There's all 50 states. We'll focus on the lower 48 for the remainder of the video. Some heavy moisture in the Pacific Northwest. Also Milwaukee seeing some showers. Leave us a comment. If there's snow or rain, let us know in the comments. Next, your shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog. It's too dark over half the country to use a visible satellite, so we use a shortwave radiation. And here is water vapor. Dry air here moving into Texas. Should be making for some clear skies, which will be followed by some very stormy skies, as we covered earlier. Here's your recap. The U.S. Doppler radar map showing vertical motion in the air column of water droplets. Here is the shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog when it's too dark to use the visible satellite. And here is the water vapor map. It should help you to understand what's going on with your Doppler if you're not getting enough data with the Doppler radar. In any case, thanks for tuning into the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smashamash. May that solar wind be at your back.